Good afternoon, this is Laz from Mesa Balancing in Hialeah, Florida. We're going to be dynoing one of our MB850 marine supercharged motors today. We should make 860 to 900 horsepower. This is all done on pump gas. Please keep in mind, if this isn't the combination for you, we also build any other combination of blower, turbo, and naturally aspirated engines. As you'll see next, you'll see a Whipple supercharged motor that makes 1400 horsepower on pump gas. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Mesa Racing Engines. Thank you. We specialize in high-performance engine development with full machine shop, dyno, and CNC facilities. For any questions, please feel free to contact us by email or phone call, and please follow us on Facebook and Instagram.